Exercise 17. These are miscellaneous or various string exercises. So write a program that asks the user to enter a string. The program should then print the following: the total number of characters in the string repeated 10 times, and so on. Let's do them one by one. So the program asks the user to enter a string, so that of course is input, and we give our variable a meaningful name, and we use the prompt of our input function or command. Okay. The program should then print a number of things. So print the total number of characters in the string. That of course is the length function. And we can have here an explanation. The comma adds a space between the different parts being printed. That's why I don't put a space inside here. This comma will cause a space to appear there by default. You can change it, but by default it will cause a space. The string repeated 10 times, print the string times 10. The first character of the string, remember that string indices start at 0. So again, print user string, the first character as a character at index 0. The 7th character of the string, if the string is long enough, and a message otherwise. Okay, so if it's long enough means if len user string is greater than or equal to 7, then print user string. The 7th character means index 6. Else print okay. So we print a nice sentence for the user if there are not enough characters. The string in all caps, print user string dot upper. The string with every letter replaced, every A replaced with an E. Print user string dot replace we're replacing A with E. So that should do it. Let's test it. If we run that, enter some words or letters. Hello there. Number of characters is 13. It has printed hello there, presumably 10 times. The first character, oh, I should have added a sentence here. The first character is age. Let's improve this a little bit. Oh, first is a spelling mistake here. Okay, that should be better now. Let's try it again. Please enter some words or letters. Number of characters 19. I'll assume those are 10 times. The first character is age. The seventh character is, this must be space. But let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's correct. So the seventh character is this space. Here's a character, or rather the string in uppercase, and replace A with E. So there's A here again. It has been replaced with E. Okay. So those are various string operations, which once again are covered in the one-on-one Python lessons available at owendevs.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe.